If you want to get paid globally in 2026 or make money as a web developer or designer, this video is for you. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to set up this new warehousing and tracking website, which comes with a lot of features where you can actually track the progress of your goods being delivered to a warehouse and all that here. Okay, in today's video, I'll show you guys how to set up this website, how this website works, and how you can also set it up for yourself or for your clients. Without wasting much of your time, let's just go straight into the video. As you can see now, this is the homepage of the website. It's a very basic website, straight to the point, not too complicated. The design, the layout has been done for you already. Not the pictures, the images, the write-up be done for you. The images have been well selected for you. Everything has been done properly for you. All you just have to do is just to set up for yourself. So this is the homepage. You see the content, images. This is the about us page. Let me just show you the page real quick. The about us page. See the contents, everything has been done for you already. Here you have the service page. All right, so this is the service page. Okay, that's completed. This is the contact us page. That's very, very simple, nothing too complicated here. And it's also still come with a translator here where you can change the language to, let's say, let's change this to Afghanistan. Okay, let's just change this real quick. And you can see changes. Okay, you can see the changes. It changes the language of the website too, which is an amazing feature too. Okay, so let me just change it back to English. All right, put that to English back. So there are just basically all the pages. So here we have track assets. We can track assets here. You can actually track the progress of the package which was sent to the warehouse or all that. So let me just enter the tracking number here. Okay, click on verify. All right, so you can see the gold bar was actually sent. It's in safekeeping. You can see the progress in transit, safekeeping, transit or intake, safekeeping, transit or release. Okay, here you can see the depositor information, the register address, the company, and here you can see what manifest, registration number, initial unit code, security seal, all that. Security level is very high. You can choose to set up in the admin side how to do that. The date was stored. You can see the date here. Here you have the property name, party name, sorry. You have the contact information. Here you have the company name, which is order company. You have the description of the package, you have the quantity. Here you have the declared value, or as you can see it's currently hidden, just have to hover on it to see the value. Here you have the current facility, dual bot in, life status in safekeeping. So you can see it's very easy to track the progress of that particular package and all that. So here you have the admin side. The admin side, you can actually manage the website to add package, set the progress, edit, and all that. Here you have total asset. Once you log into admin, to show you this part, you have the total assets, so in safekeeping one, paid intake and transit here. Here you have the tracking information. There's other package or tracking for tracking package on this particular website. So let's just go to add asset. Let's add an asset real quick. Okay, so you just have to put it as private company, estate, or government entity. Just put in depositor name, you can say test. Your restaurant number, just put that there. Phone number, sorry, just put the phone number. Put in the email here. Put in the email, all right. Then the address. Then this is the company name. I just choose to change that. And here you have the asset name, category, the bot value, the date stored. Okay, this is the C/tag. You have quantity, you have storage status, facility. You can just change the facility here. Security level and current status and still keep under observation, transit or release. So about that, just click on save here. So let's go back to the dashboard. Once you have click on save asset, you see it here. All you have to do, you can choose to view this particular one. Okay, you can just see, you can track it from the admin tool. All right, so you can track from the admin tool. Yeah, you can edit the the information of this particular package here. Okay, that's that for this particular part. Yeah, you can also still delete if you want to delete this one too. So let's can view live status. Let's see how that works. Okay, so I see showing them. All right, so what you have to do is just to if you want to do the status, just click on edit, change the status to whatever you want it to be. If you go back to the website, you see the progress here and all that here. So basically, this is just how the admin side works. It's very easy, straight to the point, nothing too complicated here. So now I'm going to show you how to actually set up this website for yourself or for your client and all that. All right, so once you got your domain name and hosting, you take it straight to this dashboard, and from here you can actually set up this website. So if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want more web design update and tips from us. Okay. So if you don't like to get your domain name hosting, you just have to, if number will be under this video, and that contact us to show you how to get a reliable domain name hosting for this particular uh, website or project. Okay. So now for this, it says the test works. So I just upload this in the subdomain. I have domains here. Domains. Click on domains. Domains. Okay. And then what I have to do is just look for the particular domain. If you are uploading the main directory, you just have to click on this part here. And for me, I'm uploading it in a subdomain, which is this one. Click on this one here. All right. So here, and then from here, delete this real quick, and then all right. So far, nice to upload our file. Just click on upload here. Okay. Click on upload there, and select the file. Edify, good. Let me locate it real quick. Hold on. Upload it. Just gonna upload. Right. Let's see. It has finished uploading. You can see the set message here. Cancel that. Reload this and extract this. Extract. Okay. Perfect. Click on close. Reload. All right. I don't need this again. Just delete this real quick. Delete this. All right. So just click here. Actually I have to move it out of that folder. This folder here, I don't want it to be inside a folder because if it's inside the folder, for me to access this, it will be my domain name, which is test1.domain slash folder. So I don't want it to be like that inside the subdomain directly. Okay, click on move. All right. So what you have to do now is set up our database. Okay. Set up our database. Go back to your cPanel here. This top here, search for DB. Database wizard, click on that. And let's see. Since this is the can I say folder DB. All right, so just as database name, put that there. Okay, so just paste this here too, and also paste this here. Paste this here too. You can create user, not now. All privileges. Coming. Let us just finish loading. So I'm currently select everything, but you actually have to select everything here. It's still loading. Okay, so let's see. All right, so privileges, make changes. Okay, let's load. Okay, perfect. We're done with that. So search for PHP my admin, this particular one here. Click on it. All right, so that's loading. Go back to your files. look for config.php, and I did set for the database here, paste that here, paste this here, paste this here, and click save. All right, done that. Go back to SQL folder here. Database, download your computer. Okay, go back to your phpMadmin, which is still loading. Okay, I just wait for that to finish loading. Then we can import our SQL file to the database. All right, so let's just look for it. So I have a note here. I have comments. It's folder db. We did it. Okay, click on import. Browse and load. Click on open. Then click on import here. Okay, so that's all. See, database has imported successfully. That's all for this video. If any video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want more updates on web design tips and all that. So that's all for today's video. See you guys in the next one.